My dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gaur Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSC. In today's session, we will discuss about multi-valued dependency in DBMS. First, we will see what is the meaning of multi-valued dependency. Multi-valued dependency occurs when two attributes in a table are independent of each other. Please remember this word, independent of each other, but these two attributes depend on a third attribute. So that means definitely here we want three attributes. In these two attributes are independent, but these two attributes are dependent on one attribute. Okay, so that is the meaning of multi-value dependency. Now we will see with example. Okay, so coming before we are moving to the example, a multi-value dependency consists of at least two attributes that are dependent on a third attribute. Okay, here two attributes dependent on a third attribute, but these two are independent attributes. Okay, so that's why it always requires at least three attributes. So here we will find out there are any multi-value dependency or not. Definitely here we want three attributes. In these two attributes are independent, but these two attributes are dependent on the third attribute. Okay, now we will see the example. So this multi-valued dependency is represented by this symbol. Okay, two arrows. Now suppose we will consider any example. Here I will consider the car models. So maximum in every year, each and every model we have different colors are available. Here we will consider in the year of 2017, H001 model is released with metallic color and green color. Okay, so H005 model is released in the year of 2018 with metallic and blue colors. In the 2015 only one model released and only one color released. In the 2012 H033 with grey color released. Now we will see what is the meaning of multi-valued dependency. Here please observe, in maximum in every year here two colors are released. That means in the year of 2017 two colors, metallic and green colors are released. In the year of 2018 metallic and blue colors are released. So here the colors is not dependent. Here manufacturing year and color are independent, because manufacturing year colors are depending on the car model here. Okay, so that's why here the manufacturing year and colors are independent. So here in this particular example we have two independent variables. Two attributes in a table are independent of each other. Okay, these two are independent, but manufacturing year is depending on the car model, because H001 model is released in the year of 2017. So manufacturing year is depending on the car model, as well as color is also depending on the car model. Okay, so metallic color and green color are released in the with the models H001. Okay, so here manufacturing year and color are independent, but these two are depending on the car model. Now we will see the representation. So here please observe the representation. Car model multi-valued representation here. So car model imply manufacturing year. Okay, so car model implies manufacturing year. Here implies means multi-valued dependency. Okay, so here car model multi-value determine the manufacturing year, so as well as car model multi-value determines the color also. Okay, so this is the meaning of multi-value dependency. Here car model multi-value determine the manufacturing year, car model multi-value determine the color. Okay, now we will see another example also. So here I will consider the bike model manufacturing year and colors. In the bike model 2001 released in the year of 2008, so with the colors white and black. Okay, 3001 manufacturing year 2013, here also white and black colors. 4006 model in the year of 2017. Here also white and black models are released. So here manufacturing year and color are independent. Okay, so for every model, what is the here owners decide, for every model we will release two colors. Okay, so here the bike model is depending on the manufacturing year and the bike model is depending on the color, but here manufacturing year and color are independent. Okay, these two are independent, but these two are depending on the bike model. Okay, now we will see bike model multi-value determine the manufacturing year, and here bike model multi-value determines the color. Okay, so here manufacturing year and color are the independent, but these two are depending on the bike model. Okay, so this is the explanation about multi-value dependency. Definitely in this point of view we want three attributes. In these three, two attributes are independent, but these two attributes are depending on the another attribute. Okay, so these two attributes are independent, but these two independent attributes are depending on the another attribute. This is the multi-value dependency. Thank you very much for watching.